guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am planning for the week of Black Friday and I'm using this beautiful black and pink floral kit from the Traveler's Notebook online. If you didn't know, the Traveler's Notebook online is now stocking sticker kits for your vertical enchondrons, so you can now get everything you need for your planner in one place, which is really awesome. At the moment they have quite a few designs, including a few Christmas kits, so definitely go check them out. As you can see, there are plenty included. They're nice big kits, so you get lots of stickers for your planner. And you can get an additional 10% off by using the code DTDanny at checkout. So onto the plan with me. I did have a couple of technical difficulties with my camera cutting out a bit of footage. I think you missed me putting down a little bit of washi and some of the full boxes, but that's about it. So I really hope you enjoy watching. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy watching, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!